Watch this video to learn how Xero can help you understand your business's financial health using the business snapshot. Click Reporting. Then, All Reports. Use the Search field to find the Business Snapshot. The Business Snapshot is your go-to dashboard for a clear, concise view of your business's financial well-being. Think of it as your financial pulse check, helping you easily spot trends and make informed decisions. It's designed to be simple, so you can quickly see what's happening and what's performing well. We recommend reviewing the business snapshot with your accountant or bookkeeper to get a deep understanding of how successful your business is. Use the Edit Metrics button to choose which bank accounts are included in the overall cash balance metric. We've got a petty cash account, which we want to exclude, so we'll click the checkbox to remove it. Use Print to save the report as a PDF, or print a physical copy to share with others. Xero uses the accrual accounting basis as default. If you want to see performance metrics using the cash basis, change it using the accrual dropdown. Analytics Plus is included in some pricing plans or is available as an add-on depending on your region. If you don't already have access, upgrade to Analytics Plus to get more flexibility and even better business insights. Use the Date dropdown to choose a preset reporting period, or if you have Analytics Plus, set a custom date range. First, let's look at the profitability section. You'll see your profit or loss for the set period, which is simply your total income minus your expenses. Your income shows what your business has earned from sales. And expenses breaks down your outgoings, like the cost of goods sold and operating expenses. Hover your mouse over the income and expenses graphs to see monthly values for the current and previous year. When you click the profit or loss, income, or expenses tiles, Xero opens the profit and loss report to show a detailed breakdown of the income and expenses for the period. Next, scroll down to look at efficiency metrics, like your net profit margin and gross profit margin. The profit margins tell you the profit you've made for every $1, pound, or local currency of sales revenue after deducting different costs. Hover your mouse over the net profit graph to see actual net profit for a month. You'll see a list of the largest operating expenses, with a comparison to the same period in the prior year. Use this information to consider areas you could reduce costs to improve profitability. If you click any of the figures, Xero opens the Account Transactions report so you can see the details of the transactions. Beyond profitability, the business snapshot also gives you insights into your financial position and cash. The balance sheet overview gives you a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Click the figures to view the balance sheet report and see a breakdown of your total assets, liabilities, and equity. Quickly see your overall cash balance for the selected bank accounts, which is crucial for managing your day-to-day operations. Use the See Your Upcoming Cashflow link to open the Short-Term Cashflow Projection, a valuable tool to help you view and manage your cash flow and make informed business decisions. The Average Time to Get Paid and the Average Time to Pay Suppliers tiles help you manage your working capital effectively. Use the information icons to find out how Xero calculates the number of days. If you click the tiles, Xero opens the Aged Receivable or Aged Payable summary reports so you can see unpaid sales invoices or bills. For even more valuable insights, use the toggle to view financial ratios, like the current ratio, debt ratio, and debt to equity ratio. These give you a quick overview of your business's financial health and highlight potential risks. Work with an accountant or bookkeeper to understand the results about how healthy your business finances are. Now you're ready to use the business snapshot to gain valuable insights into your business's performance.